Pre-market prep, June the 7th. Yesterday, you know, had this, range expansion pattern, continued upward. We're into the single prints left over up here from here on this day, which was that big kind of sell-off day. So interesting. It's possible we're setting in a V bottom. If we go to the daily, looking at yearly VWAP, you can see we kind of bounced off that -1 standard deviation. Here daily, just kind of looking at some of the value here. We're right here inside of this composite right now. 3 up days in a row, one-time framing. On the TPOs, I haven't changed anything with any of my TPOs because, these were just down, 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 down. No real overlapping value. There was these 2 days here that I combined into this small composite. Yesterday we, open above value and just churn up. In the overnight, we're still drifting up. So there's not really been any new value formed from that angle there. Let's go look at the weekly, monthly. If we're looking at a rhythm, so to speak, came down here, touch, 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 push through the weekly VWAP, retest, retest, and then, off to the races. So, another touchdown here would be interesting. That's probably an area I'll look at. And this, since we're in the first week of the month, these two are essentially the same. Alright, so let's get some levels up here. Let's look at that level that I had mentioned. It doesn't really have any confluent levels other than this previous day's POC, which I don't mind that. I mean, just looking at yesterday, multi-distribution finished up, so this is it's an important area. So we'll use that. Finally, okay. Good Lord. On the upper end, kind of previous month's value hanging in right here, which is also not too much to the upside here. Yeah, I mean, I think we just have this kind of one level. I mean, if we get all the way back up to here, I'm interested, but I think new levels will have formed by then. There's this negative POC right at the top of this value, so I mean, this